Hello, I'm Brent Stropel.
And I'm Tice Pedersen.
And we are the Cooking Cookers.
Today we're going to be making waffles.
The utensils you'll need is 1 whisk,
1 measuring cup,
1 tablespoon,
and 1 mixing bowl.
and a waffle iron.
And the ingredients you will need: 2 tablespoons canola oil, 1.5 cups cold water. Make sure it's cold.
2 1/2 cups of Krusteaz honey wheat mix.
That's all the ingredients.
With a big bowl, with the bowl that you will need, you will pour 2 1/2 cup of crusty waffle mix into the bowl. 1/2 cups cold water. Gotta pull that in good. And then
Now you pour your oil.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of it. Make sure it's 2 tablespoons.
Mix thoroughly. Do not overmix.
Okay, now he's cooking that. He's mixing that. I'm going to spray the waffle iron, the preheated waffle iron, lightly with the pan.
Gotta mix really good.
Mix it good.
Yeah. Or you don't want those chunky clumps in there. You gotta go really fast.
Do you want me to help with that?
Yeah. There you go. Now looks mixed good. Hard and
Okay.
good. Okay. Keep mixing.
Okay.
That is good enough.
Now
See,
that's all mixed.
it's like no clumps. It's like really good.
Okay, now that is completely mixed, we pour approximately 3/4 cup onto slightly greased and preheated waffle iron. Make sure to pour it in the middle.
Sprays all over the place. That's what it should do.
Now, close the lid and flip it.
You should cook it for about 2 minutes and 35 seconds. So we're going over to the timer. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Push start. It's starting already. Now we will be back.
With some short, healthy
Tips.
health tips. Even though it's winter outside, we're still out here getting our 60 minutes of play a day. This man can jump like a Jordan. We can even dance outside. No bones dance. Or the cat. Just fine. Stop. Okay, there's the timer. Let's go turn that off.
Good job.
Now that this waffle is fully cooked, you gotta flip this iron back over,
Open it
open, and remove the waffle.
with a fork or a utensil that you can use.
To remove the waffle.
Put it on the
Put it on the
plate.
plate.
Looks good.
Close the waffle iron,
It looks
Unplug it.
amazing.
and there you have it.
It's good waffle.
It's a good waffle.
See, even if you flip it over, it looks amazing. It's good.
Now,
That's like the best.
some healthy
waffle.
options for toppings.
That's just
Some healthy toppings. You could put peanut butter, applesauce, or blueberries.
strawberries or sugar-free Cool Whip.
Now that's how you make a healthy waffle.
We are the Cooking Cookers, and we are out.